Hello and welcome to Gene's Toys. We are here with a review on the Remote Control Republic Fighter Tank released by Hasbro August 2011. This is the Remote Control Republic Fighter Tank outside of the box before assembly. It comes with the tank itself, clone trooper, the remote control, and 6 missiles. The only assembly required for the tank is the 4 AA batteries that go 2 on this side, 2 on the other side, and then 2 AAA batteries for the controller itself. For your battery assembly, you're going to need your Phillips screwdriver. You're going to unscrew here for the controller, and then these 2 spots for the tank itself. Then, once you have your batteries placed and you have everything screwed back in, you're going to come up here, and up here is your on and off switch. You just turn it on, and there you go. After inserting your batteries, the next thing you want to do is put in your missiles. The 2 larger missiles go on the sides closest to the cockpit, whereas the other 4 smaller missiles go on opposite sides and are the farthest. Now all you have to do is push it in and you'll know it's in when you hear the click. After inserting your missiles, you're ready for figure placement. In the cockpit, you're able to fit 2 action figures. However, you're going to need thin ones because the cockpit is very tight fit. On the exterior of the vehicle, you have 2 pegs for figure placement in front of each cannon and 1 peg behind each cannon. I brought out the original Republic Fighter tank to show you the differences between the radio control and the original. The original has a lot more detailing, is a bit bulkier, and can carry 1 more trooper up here, although the radio control carries 4 more missiles than the original. For your controls, you have pressing up would be to move forward, pressing the bottom would be to reverse or turn, pressing the middle would fire missiles. Also, on the back you have a little light indicator here showing you whether or not it registers the button pressing. Now we're going to go test it. The fighter tank's mobility is very limited compared to that of the remote control Hailfire droid. You can only reverse one way, and you can only go forward. So in order to turn, you need to turn a full 360 in order to get where you want to go. Now we're going to demonstrate the wait, what's that? They never learn, do they? Oh well, perfect way to demonstrate the abilities. I ran out of missiles. After testing out the Remote Control Republic Fighter tank, I've come to the conclusion that although it is a very fun toy, the mobility is limited compared to that of the Remote Control Hailfire droid. It's a very good toy, and out of 10 stars, I'd give it a 6. Thank you for watching Gene's Toys, and we'll be back for more soon.